Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys today presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the past week. Also, don't forget that this content should not be considered as any official financial advice and it's provided for educational purposes only, guys. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like this video as it will help with the algorithm. Also, subscribe. Look, it's a button right here, just one click away so that you can enjoy our quality cryptocurrency content and click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press videos, guys. So immediately we move on to the fear and greed index. Currently we are at 26. So we can see that yesterday we were at 26 and last week we were at 28. So there's fear, not extreme fear, just regular fear, I guess, if that's a thing, but you know what I mean. So moving on to the charts, we do see here that we had a push up from the 20 level up all the way to that 29, and now we're at again 26, and right now we're just consolidating, maybe before attempting to retest that 40 pivotal local high that we had on November 6th, or coming down to retest the 20 level once again. So I'll definitely keep you guys informed as the days and weeks goes on, to see how the fear and greed index continues to react. So today we do have Bitcoin's price here at around $17,000, guys. We've been consolidating for the past week. We do see here a great sell wick here. The candle's red, negative, and bearish for the day. It hasn't closed yet, but we do see that currently we attempted to revisit the $17,619 resistance level, in the last couple of hours, but we have been unsuccessful as of yet, so we have to wait and see. We broke this descending triangle formation. Now we've been consolidating, and we have to wait and see to see if we're gonna actually retest that $17,619 level as resistance, or if we're gonna come back down towards that 15,610 local low levels for a third time to retest. So we have to wait and see what Bitcoin's going to decide to do in the next couple of days. On a weekly note, we continue to be below the 200-week moving average, and we've just been ranging between support and resistance on the weekly. Again, on the weekly, the resistance, the first one, because it's $17,610, and the support is $15,800 on this weekly chart, guys. So again, we've been ranging. We do see this impulse move towards the resistance, as we've been stating. A brand new candle has opened for the week after having back-to-back green positive bullish candles. Now the candle is red. We do see a bit of a sell wick here, so it's a negative bearish candle for now. But again, the week just started, so we have quite some time, almost 7 days before this candle actually closes. So we're gonna keep monitoring the situation. As long as we're within this range, what we could be doing is creating a local low, then coming back up to retest the resistance before possibly either retesting the support before going up, or retesting the support to create lower lows. So if this moment happened, this would be the pivotal moment in the next couple of weeks, maybe at the beginning of 2023. So we're gonna definitely keep an eye on out for that. So the DXY, again, we've been in a downtrend since September, as we actually went over in our previous video. Just bearishness across this daily chart. We do see that the current candle is green. It's a quite a large candle in a sense. We see the stochastic RSI might be getting ready to cross up, where we might have an impulse or some momentum towards the upside again. But resistance continues to be 105.35 and support is 103.90. So right now we're just stuck in this range. So again, we're going to keep an eye on the chart to see if we break either level, and that'll give us more of a sign of where the DXY, the Dixie, the dollar index might be headed in the next couple of days. So I'll definitely keep you guys informed. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget that in the description down below we have a link where you can have access to our free educational playlist. A lot of great cryptocurrency educational videos for you guys for free. And then if you haven't done so already, don't forget to swing by our Twitter channel follow us, I would gladly appreciate that. So today's video topic is about 2023, guys. It's just around the corner. We're at the beginning of December at the time of recording of this video, guys, and 2023 is less than a month away, just a couple of weeks away. So this video I wanted to focus on next year, and in my humble opinion, there's gonna be it's gonna be an accumulation year where we might find a new local low once again, but then after that we might go sideways and we might range trade in a way, for a couple of weeks, a couple of months, or for months actually, for the calendar year of 2023. If they tell me, Jay, what do you think is going to happen, again, it's all based on probabilities. I would just say 2023 is going to be a great year just to dollar cost average and just to expose yourself to the market in a sense where you can accumulate assets such as Bitcoin, such as Ethereum, such as Cardano, Matic, coins that at least up until now, most of them obviously have been great assets. So this 2022 year has been just a brutal bear market. As you can see here, it's been devastating. For most, just going down, and it's not easy. For a lot of panic, a lot of fear, a lot of people don't know what to do. But if they ask me, instead of going down like this, for me, 2023, whatever the low is going to be, no one knows, right? It's going to be more of a horizontal type movement for the market for the year. Before then, 2024, 2025, we could expect that bull market that everyone wants, but we need time. These cycles take time to play out, and the focus of this video is just to give you guys that, to offer you guys that vision, to have patience, to accumulate. And those people that do that in this type of bearish environment are the ones that are most likely gonna take advantage of the profits that are gonna come in the next cycle. So I just wanted to briefly comment that I believe that next year is gonna be a great year to accumulate, so definitely keep that in mind, guys. So moving on to the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world, guys, and their performance for the past week. We start immediately with Bitcoin, BTC the king, at around $17,000, up 5.46%. Not bad the last 7 days. Number 2, Ethereum at $1,265, up 8%. Number 3, BNB, currently at around that $290 mark, down 0.85%. Number 4, XRP, the scam, currently at around 40 cents or 39 cents, up 1.73%. And then number 5, the Dogecoin, the dog coin, currently at around 10 cents, up 7.45%. Not bad at all. So let's move on to the top 5 best performing assets. Interesting. For the past 7 days, we immediately start off with Axie Infinity, AXS, at around $8.81, up 34.73%. Number 2, GMX, currently at around $53.15, up 28.59%. Number 3, Phantom, currently at around 25 cents, up 27.33%. Number 4, Thorchain Rune, currently at $1.38, up 19%. And then number 5, the OG Coin Dash, currently at $47, up 19.43%, guys. And then we have the top 5 worst performing assets for the past 7 days. Immediately we start off with number 1, Helium, the balloon coin, currently at $2.24, down 8.74%. Number 2, ApeCoin, the monkey coin, currently at $4 a pop, down 4%. Number 3, 1 inch, man, 1 inch network, man, that never gets old, man. 1 inch, oh man, let's leave it at that. Currently at around about half a dollar, around the 50 cents mark, down 4% as well. Number 4, Theta network, at around 89-90 cents, down 3%. And then we have a stable coin at number 5. So guys, if you enjoy this type of educational but informative informal content, make sure you guys like this video. I would appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, so that you can keep enjoying and having fun with this type of content. Click the notification bell if you haven't done so already. Don't forget, we do have our website. You can click in the description down below, there's a link. great tools and resources, for you guys in your cryptocurrency journey. So again, thank you so much. If you waited till this part of the video and you're still, here, I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much, So thank you so much for your time and attention. Have a good one.